everybody. How are you? I hope you're great. My name is Johannes Gamboa. I'm a student of foreign languages with the National University UNAT. Today I'm going to pronounce the consonants according to the International Phonetic Alphabet, whereby I'm going to point at each consonant. Let's start, okay? P. Example: pull, stop, apple. Example: 4, foot, fish. Example: 3, stop, want. Earth, think, through. Example: teacher, chair, choice. Example: stop, sit, fast. Shoe, fish, sure. Example: walk, dark, cup. Examples: bet about beer. Example: serve, vote, vote. Example: door, foot, set. Example: they, their, wave. Example: joke, joy, lounge. Example: server, noise, president. Casual, measure, pleasure. G. Example: green, green, girl. Example: hot, head, heart. Example: money, lamp, mind. Green, green, nurse. Example: sing, English, drunk. R. Example: roll, green, tree. Example: pull, laugh, roll. Example: want, way, where. Example: year, yes, yellow. That's it for today. Thanks for your attention, and thanks for the to British Council for the Charles Phonetic. See you soon. Bye bye.